Hey guys, Rex Manian here. Today applying super slow motion to the push-up.
Hey guys, right now let's cover super slow motion exercises. And when we do super slow motion, essentially we're just doing a movement in super slow motion. The beauty of this is that in doing things very slowly, you recruit each muscle fiber at each length of the exercise. All right, so we're gonna do it today with the chest, with the push-up, which we already know. Okay, so we're gonna do from here a 10 count hold, then we're gonna do a 10 count coming down. If you can, we're gonna try to hold some space off the ground, maybe an inch. If you can't, then fine. But if you can, we're gonna hold it right here for about 10 counts, and we're gonna do a 10 count up, and then hold it for 10. And that'll be one rep. So here's the example. So my nice plank, again, if you're on your knees, like this, that's fine, okay? And this one I'm just gonna do a regular push-up. So my elbows are about 45, coming out 45 outside from my body. So here's already did my 10 count hold. Now I'm gonna do a 10 count down. So here we go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm holding it about an inch off the ground. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 10 count up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then again, hold it for a 10 count. And that'll be one rep.
Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.